Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The Australian dollar slipped for the fifth consecutive day and now on Friday looks further towards the level of around 64.5 as the US dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of six major currencies, rallies further to 106.80. The market was a little bit disappointed after Fed chairman's comments overnight saying there was no rush in cutting rates and therefore has put a little bit of a mix in terms of market sentiment. Nevertheless, with the Aussie getting very close to the bottom of its range, I do anticipate the market to bounce, and that is anywhere from the lows of 64 and look back towards a region of 65 and reassess from there. Having broken one trend line, the market's now challenging the second at 105. I feel there may be a rebound coming in the market due to the low technicals, and therefore from the lows of 105, look back towards this region of 105.70 and maybe on towards 108. I feel the US dollar has slightly overcooked itself and looking a little bit overbought since the presidential election, and therefore let's see if the dollar takes or profit taking emerges. The dollar yen still pushing higher and now we're looking towards 157.5 as a potential target. We are getting somewhat overbought here and MACD is still lacking momentum. So therefore we could easily see a snap to the downside. If we look at this trend line, the market now finding support around 154 and a break there could trigger a move down to 150 to 149. I do feel this market is somewhat extended, so I am waiting for the turnaround. Sterling is still weak as it challenges the bottom side of 126.80 and now looking further to the downside, which could see a move towards this area of 126.10.15. I feel we are getting somewhat overextended to the downside and therefore do expect to bounce soon. Turning to commodities, gold takes a stab at the key level of 2,550 and was rejected. Nevertheless, the bounce has posted a slightly weak hammer. Therefore, could see soon a correction from the base around 2,550 and look back towards 2,600 and reassess from there. Wrapping up with oil, the market was still a little bit mixed overnight, but still finding a base around $66 a barrel. And from there, could see a move back towards 69 or even on towards the 72 region. I feel the market may stage a bounce due to the fact the MACD is somewhat flat, and therefore let's see if the demand can increase and look back towards, as I mentioned, that top side of the range. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the great start to the new weekend.